Beerzerker! Yeah! It's got some Olympia once again. And just fucking had the notion to shotgun some beer, and I haven't fucking shotgunned some beer. And I don't know, fucking 16 years at least or something. So I hope I don't fucking get fucking beer all over the fucking place. But fucking big fan of the Olympia. I keep going back to Olympia. I don't buy a lot of macro, but when I do, this is the fucking stuff brewed in Saskatchewan. Okay, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan Olympia, not the Washington. So those are two different breweries. So if I'm bragging this shit up a lot and you're drinking the Washington shit, it might be different. So 5% alcohol by volume. $7 a sixer up here. And to put that in perspective, Budweiser's 16, and I like this like fucking 5 or 6 times better than Budweiser. So pretty typical flavor to it, but it's I'm not a big fan of American macro, so this is as good as it gets almost for American macro for me. So basically, as I remember, you try and get the air bubble if you have a shotgun to beer. You got a tilter back here. So this fucking thing's gonna spray a little bit. I don't want to get my fucking shit all fucked up. And not a problem. You can come up with your own system a little bit. I'm just making a few slits here so I can bend open a hole big enough to get some beer down me real fucking quick here. So I can get my fucking finger in there. I don't know, I don't know if this is fucking worldwide thing. It is really popular up here. You know, in Alberta. I got the fucking shout out to Fubar, my main fucking channel header. And I figure it's bullshit if I don't shotgun a beer, right? So get your fingernail under the tab so that you're going to be able to get her. So I got a nice fucking hole. Here. Right? Fucking, that's a nice fucking hole. Get a fucking good seal on there. Oh, piece of fucking cake. Got a little bit on the floor. Fuck yeah. Olympia is pretty fucking good. It's got some nice hops to it, and it's sweet, but it's not shitty sweet. I mean, it kind of. Oh, I wish everyone could try fucking Olympia. I really do. I'm gonna just shotgun another one. I should probably wait a minute, but I don't know. That went down pretty fucking easy. All right, let's fucking get another one going here. Alright, fuck, that was awesome. I haven't done that in a long fucking time. I'll get better at it. There we are. Fucking rates. Alright, let's pop that fucker open. Not too big, you know, you don't want to fuck it up. Then what do? You gotta fucking pour it in a glass or something. So same thing once again. Basically that's what you got. Okay. Oh fuck, you know. I don't know if all beer's like this. I just noticed this as I was planning to line up the whole. The fucking label does not line up with the beer tops. on these. So, like, just keep that in mind when you poke the hole in line with that fucking label. The fucking hole's over here, and that can maybe cause some issues. So, like I said, it's probably been like 16 years or something since I was shotgunning beer. A couple fucking more burps out of me, just in case here. There we go. Not bad. Not feeling it yet. Pretty sure I will in a couple minutes here. Alright. There's always a little bit left in the bottom of the can too. For that little bit there, so kind of tilt her back. It's fucking Oli. Fucking love this shit. Oh. Yeah, so they're probably just gonna burp a couple times before I fucking shotgun the third one here. Feeling a little lightheaded, but not drunk at all. It's kind of fucking weird. I guess not really. Lack of oxygen for fucking holding your breath while you fucking shotgun, right? Oh. There we go. There's a fucking tab here. Alright. Yeah, try not to shake the fucking can up, that's for sure. Before you open it. Or you'll get a fucking hose down. You feel good right after, and then like it takes about a full minute to kind of get kind of the gas out of your fucking self, right? Oh, here we go. This is a really efficient way to drink beer. Because you could drink a 6-pack in about 8 minutes. And you're good to go all night. I don't fucking really drink a fucking full 6-pack anymore. I figure 3-pack's good enough for me. Last of her out of there. Beerzerker. Fucking Olympia. Great beer to shotgun. Great budget beer. Especially if you're in the area. I haven't tried the Washington stuff. I'd love to try a can of the Oli from Washington. That'd be fucking awesome. Been drinking this for fucking years. Highly recommend the Olympia. As a rate, I probably rated it before, but I'm going to give it a... If you throw value into the equation, I give it an 8 out of 11 as beer overall. It's probably like a 7, ignoring the value factor. But anyway, Beerzerker! Olympia, and I'm out. Yeah.